Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to set local passcode on Telegram. Here is our Telegram. As you see, there is no passcode at the moment. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. So, let's do it. Go to the menu, select Settings, and then Privacy and Security. And here is the local passcode. Insert your passcode. Reinsert it, and save it. Finally, choose here Auto Lock Time. I prefer to be at 1 minute. Now, let's check it. You can lock it here and type your passcode. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!